So I finally got myself a bore gauge off eBay. It cost me 50 quid. It's second hand. A make that I've used at work as well in the past, so I know it's a good make. The scale on it is in tenths of a thousandth of an inch, and the 10 on there, that would be 1,000th of an inch, 20, 2 thou, etc. Comes with different extension pieces for different size bores. So what I've done is select the most appropriate, fitted it in for this 948cc engine with, according to the workshop manual, new boards around about 2.480 inches. So to set it up, I've set this micrometer to 2.480. I've double checked it with the vernier that I have here, because none of my tools are calibrated. Just giving you some reassurance it's about right. And then by placing the bore gauge in between the micrometer, I have to look for the position at which the needle changes direction. And rotate the bezel to that position. It's a little bit fiddly. About there. So that's set to 0. So when you measure, for any bore greater than 2.480, the gauge will move in the positive direction. For any measurements lower, which we're not going to expect here, it'll move in a negative direction. So now it's set up, I'm ready to measure the bores.